us up to the old village, and the roads are super windy. Look at that. Wow. It's a 7-minute drive from the harbor where we got off. They had an organized bus to meet us. And now we are getting close to the old village. And look at the spectacular views and the windy roads going down the olive groves. So we just disembarked at the main square in the old village, and we have to return at 12:45. So there's a little cafe right at the stop here. And amazing, astounding views. Here's the road we just came up. So I had a little gelato in this little area park and children's playground, and the view here is astounding. You know, the guy in the gelato shop said that his grandfather and his father used to walk up and down 10 kilometers each way to the sea to fish, and they also used donkey. So now we have a road, but still this little town thrives on tourism, and buses come up from the port to take tourists, and that's how they survive. It's worth every penny to be here. Another bus disembarking. I think they have a bus like every 10 minutes from boat tours. And way down there is a lovely little cove, probably only accessible by boat or long windy road. Just miraculous. Okay, it says private windmill. Please respect our privacy. So I wonder if someone's converted it into a home. Simply adorable, and it's amazing how just some webbing above can keep things so cool here and yet have lots of airflow. They've got it mastered to a fine art, and this is my favorite color. So I'm taking lots of pictures of the pink. This bougainvillea over this shop is just stunning. And then of course the blue and white, and next to us is an old building. Look at this, that was the old church. And I just popped into this door in this old church. It's a low ceiling in here. Very old. Very sacred. Look at that.